Here we have the 2021 Keystone Bullet 287QBSWE quad bunk slide Western Edition maybe. You have a power and light tongue area for your propane tanks. Your batteries would sit right here with a battery disconnect. So you open your pass-through side on the non-camp side. This unit has a convenience station that incorporates all of your tank flushes and fills. So fresh water, city water, black tank flush, winterization bypasses for easy storage, a hot and cold water outdoor shower, battery disconnect for easy storage, key TV to get your TV and satellite cable signal to the TVs on the interior of the travel trailer, and the buttons to control your front and rear stabilization jacks. The rear of this travel trailer, you're going to notice a ladder to access the roof. All of the Keystone Bullet series are going to come with access to your roof for maintenance and cleaning, as they are fully walkable. 30 amp power supply, spare tire, and on the campsite, this travel trailer is going to feature a outdoor kitchen. Let's get this open for you. Here you're going to have a small fridge unit with a little freezer tray, and your 2-burner propane cooktop, which is really cool because this unit has a quick connect for propane, so you can actually swap out and use any other propane accessories using your house propane tanks. Let's go ahead and head inside. You do have a powered awning with an LED light strip, 2 exterior speakers, and 110 outlet, as well as out ports for your cable and satellite in case you want to watch TV on the outside. Let's take a look at the campsite, pass-through storage access, all that space. You've got a pegboard so you can easily affix tools or your recovery gear. One awesome feature with these Bullets is that solid step system folding all the way into the travel trailers with those adjustable legs, so you can adjust for your various terrains. Your extended grab handle makes accessing the travel trailer really easy. For this unit, we're actually going to start all the way in the very rear quad bunk area in the back. So you'll notice windows on both single bunks, USB outlets, individual lights in each one of those, area to mount a television plus a skylight, plenty of interior storage for all your kids' goodies. You have a sit-across booth that converts into a bunk. So you place the backs in, and there you have a bed. Another cool thing to note is that you have additional storage. They put little finger holes so you can access, and then this is actually the hot water tank. So you have additional storage capacity and underneath the sit-across booth portions. And lastly, when folded down, a 4th single bunk. Sliding door to give some good separation between the rest of the travel trailer. They still have AC, which is on a ducted system, as well as heat running into this room. As we exit the bunk area, you have some additional storage wardrobe area with adjustable shelves, as well as a small cubby. You have your sit-across booth dinette, your main dining area right here, similar to the booth in the rear, storage under both sides. as well as an additional sleeping space when you bring the table down to rest on those cleats. It's chock full of USBs. They're everywhere, so you can power all of your components. Turn that light on. Nice couch area that also turns into a bed, so you can sleep a lot of people in this travel trailer. You can see all the windows surrounding this super slide, giving a lot of natural light coming in. Before we go into the kitchen, we don't want to miss the bathroom. We definitely need to check out the space in here. Actually, pretty sizable. Do the commode test. When you sit, 6'3", 220. I've got plenty of arm room. My legs are a little tight, but I'm not resting against the door. It's just this storage area right here. Plenty of height in the shower when you're in the skylight. Nice bathroom fixtures can get done. Over, see the space we have for the rest of the restroom. Your sink. Getting more storage. More storage. Chock full of it. Coming out of the restroom back into the main area of the travel trailer, we have our kitchen. Again, the Dometic RV fridge freezer combo running off propane and electric. One-piece pressed countertops. Deep sink. Residential faucet. 3-burner propane cooktop. That backsplash. Access to a lot of storage, that built-in spice rack. Above you have your microwave. Hood, vent, and light. Some more kitchen storage. On the opposite side of this little area, the access door right here. Of course, you have your entertainment area, little area for your DVDs and games, your Bluetooth Furrion head unit with HDMI, USB ports. TV is on a swivel mount, so you can angle it, get a nice view. Plugs for your TV and cable, additional storage. Moving into the master bedroom, you have 2 accesses, one on either side. Once you come in, sliding doors give you that extra privacy. Here on the nightstand, you have a large wardrobe and plenty of space. That would help. That would help. Again, outlets and USBs. There's to put your devices on both sides. Makes that really convenient. More storage under your bed. Now, not walkable. You can't really walk around, so I have 2 doors, but that is really nice that you have 2 separate spaces in this travel trailer. You can close the doors off for the bunks in the rear, close the door off to the main bedroom. Have a lot of privacy in this unit. Again, this is the 287QBSWE Keystone Bullet.